The only limit to our realization of tomorrow will be our doubts of today. Every great achievement begins with a decision to believe that your future can be bigger than your present. Too many people spend their lives waiting for the perfect opportunity, the perfect timing, or the perfect set of circumstances. But success has never belonged to those who wait. It belongs to those who take action despite uncertainty. The truth is, doubt has stopped more dreams than failure ever has. It whispers that you're not ready, that someone else is more qualified, that now isn't the right time. But every successful entrepreneur, every business owner, and every person who has created financial freedom had to overcome those same doubts before they ever saw the rewards. Imagine waking up every day knowing that the work you put in today can continue paying you month after month. Imagine helping business owners and families lower one of their largest monthly expenses while creating a growing stream of recurring income for yourself. That's the power of building a business in an industry that people depend on every single day. At TruPowur, you're not starting from scratch. You're joining a proven platform with industry-leading technology, comprehensive training, experienced mentors, and access to multiple energy suppliers across competitive markets. Instead of trying to invent a business, you're building one with the tools, support, and systems designed to help you succeed. The greatest risk isn't taking a chance on yourself. The greatest risk is looking back years from now and wondering what your life could have been if you had simply believed in your own potential. Your future doesn't change by accident. It changes the moment you decide that your goals are more important than your fears and your dreams are bigger than your doubts. So if you're ready to reinvent your future, build a 7-figure compounding residual income by helping customers save money on something they already use every day, energy. It's time to stop settling for less and start taking control of your financial destiny. To learn more, visit TruPowerCareer.com and we'll see you on the inside.